So hello everybody, it's my first ever YouTube video. I'm gonna teach you physics, and to start with this I'm gonna talk about physical quantity. As in the real world you have seen so many things and have known how much of that thing is around you. Okay, so physical quantity is nothing but the capability of being measured. Physical quantity. I'm not gonna tell you about the definitions from books, leading you to some real life experiences. As I was walking on the road, I've got some stones that were on the ground. Okay, there was some big one, there was some smaller one. So it was in terms of size, I was making them unique among themselves, right? And they have their different weight, mass, volume, etc. There are so many different attributes about the same kind of things that were on the ground. So I took them one by one and measured, and I came to know that these all were physical quantities. But it's not that simple that you've got physical quantities. Okay, in case of physical quantity you've got two things, scalar and vector. Okay, there is scalar quantity and vector quantity. Scalar quantity has got only magnitude. In case of vector quantity you'll get magnitude as well as direction. Yeah, there's the thing, additional thing makes this more special. So as you're more special, as more interested about this vector thing, as it has got direction, right? So there are other different other interests as vector is so important that you're gonna be needing the knowledge of vector, the different operations of vector, and how to perceive them in your physical world so that you can solve your problems easily. Okay, so I'm gonna talk you about many things about vectors, types of vectors, and operations, types, operations, and some more real life content. Yes, I made some content and this was on the real life I've dealt with. Okay, and I'll be explaining all these kind of things with my real life experiences as well. So this is a bonus point. Okay guys, so hope you all are interested in joining me in the next lecture on vector quantity, and I'm so excited to teach you all about how I teach to my other students. So thank you.